Hey, I'm Cesar from Chatwith. Today, I want to share with you a demo about making a menu or making some type of ordering process with the widget we have. I mean, this is just a configuration using the tools we have. You don't need to do anything special. I mean, this is a form that we can fill up. We can put the address, and we can choose the pizza. No, the pizza is the size, toppings, extras, drinks, and we can say, okay, let's place this order. And in the order, we are going to, have everything with the price and the total amount of the order. So everything goes in one, let's say, in one shot, and you will receive the order from your customers. This goes to your WhatsApp. This goes to your email. This goes to the CRM. So if you have something easy, simple, straightforward, something like that, you can do it with us. So I mean, obviously, if you want to make something super complicated, super fancy, super everything, we are not your tool. But if you want to make something with a few options, something like that, you can do it. So step one, we go to widgets, we create a widget. Step two, we go to agents, we create form, and in the form you have the name, for example, WhatsApp number, direction, and the options. In this case, the options, I mean, we are using a drop down with price. That's the option we have. You can put different options with different pricing, and we have an option to show as button. Show as button makes the drop down like this. No, instead of a drop down, we have this view that is more easy for the customer. If we uncheck this option, so let me show you what happens. We have like this. Okay, so it's kind of the same, but I think it's more easy for the user to have these as buttons, instead of drop downs. But this is completely up to you. You can change the elements, so we can have the size, toppings. Maybe the toppings are included in the price, but maybe bacon is an extra, so that's something you can do. Extras, I put extra cheese, extra bacon, that's a different price. And then you can have the drinks. The drinks are here. Here we have a hidden field with the gclit. If we are doing ads, you may want to capture the gclit as a parameter, so you can send this back to Google for conversions. Okay, so that's an option. Privacy policy, that's something you can have. That's like a checkbox here. Let me show you where this goes. This goes here. Okay, so it's there. And finally, that's it. And order, place order. That should be that should be everything. So as you can see, this is very simple. I mean, this is something you can do, I don't know, in 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 3 minutes, using our tool. Then the landing page is something like this, beautiful, easy, the name of the location, telephone number, just in case someone wants to call you. The form is here, and that's something you can do. Why this form is already, if I reload, why this form is already filled up? We have an option. This is a new option to save customer data. Okay, so this is something for you if you want to have it. You go to the widget, you go to extra options, and down here you can save user data. This makes sense if you have repeating and recurring customers, because instead of going to the website, checking putting my information is going to be here right away. So if I want to place another order, I just simply change the options and I click send, and that's it. I make a new order. Super simple. If I need to change my order, I change my order, but my information is already here. So it's much more convenient for your customers to go to the widget. The information is going to be there. If let's say I need to go every month to have some treatment, my information is here. Let's say I need to do a weekly checkup, my information is here. It's going to be better for your recurring customers. Okay, so this is how this works. Some updates, some news for you. and hopefully you like it, and hopefully you use more our widget. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.